Welcome to the final lesson of our AI Fundamentals playlist. We have covered a huge amount of ground, from history and philosophy to how AI actually works. Now it's time to look forward and talk about your first project. Let's discuss the hello world of AI. In traditional programming, the very first program you write just prints hello world to the screen. It's a simple victory that proves your setup is working. The hello world for AI is building your first simple machine learning model. The goal is not to solve a grand challenge, but to successfully go through the entire process from start to finish, just like learning to make a simple omelette before tackling a gourmet meal. A perfect first project, and one we will use later, is the Iris flower classification dataset. It's famous because it's so great for beginners. The setup is simple. You are given a table of data with measurements for 150 flowers. Each flower is already labeled as one of 3 different species. Your goal is to train an AI model that learns the patterns so it can predict the correct species of a new flower just from its measurements. Why this project? Because it teaches you the fundamental workflow of almost every AI project. You'll learn how to load data into your code, how to explore it and make simple charts, how to choose and train a basic machine learning model, and most importantly, how to evaluate your model to see how well it learned. This is the core loop of applied AI. And the best part is that all the tools you need to do this are completely free. We will be using the Python programming language, which is the standard for AI. We'll write our code in a tool called a Jupyter Notebook, which is perfect for interactive exploration. And we'll use a powerful library called scikit-learn, which conveniently includes both the Iris dataset and the machine learning models we'll need to get started. I want to end by saying that this is much easier than you probably think. Thanks to these amazing modern libraries, you can actually build and test your first model in just a handful of lines of code. The library handles all the complex math behind the scenes. Your job, which you are now prepared for, is to understand the process and tell the computer what to do. And with that, you have completed the AI Fundamentals playlist. A huge congratulations to you. You've built a solid conceptual foundation that will make everything that comes next much easier to understand. You are absolutely ready to start building. I hope you'll join me in our next playlist, where we'll start exploring the math behind the magic that makes all of this possible. Thank you for learning with me.